We're going to do a scalp cleanser here. We've already wet the hair down just to demonstrate how much foam we will get out of this one. We didn't do a shampoo, so this is our first scalp cleanser. So we use about a 20-cent piece. We go through, and you're not really massaging, you're spreading the product around. Now, first time, you generally won't get any foam, as we have it there, and this is following our brush therapy. So we spread that around. Just going to rinse it off, and we'll go back and do it again. Okay, we're going to do our second scalp cleanse. Second time round, you don't need as much product, so you can go with a 20-cent piece or a 10-cent piece. Again, directly on the scalp. Now for longer hair, and obviously this blonde hair, it's chemically treated, I don't recommend using a scalp cleanser through the hair. Now we're cleaning the scalp because scalp is skin and hair is hair. So you can't use a hair shampoo on your scalp, it just won't effectively clean it, nor should you be using a scalp cleanser through longer chemically treated hair. If it's short hair, don't have a problem with it, it's really nice. The scalp cleanser will remove coatings from the hair and build up of product. So every now and then you can draw it through the ends, but again on longer hair, chemically treated hair, I don't tend to. So that's our second scalp cleanser. You can see there's a really good foam there. I always recommend to do 2 scalp cleansers, and then we're going to do 1 hair shampoo. The scalp cleanser will run through the hair, so it is cleaning the hair, removing the oil and any debris, so therefore we only need to do a softening shampoo. So we'll rinse this off now, and then we're going to do a scalp tonic. So we've got a really clean scalp. We do a scalp cleanser for scalp health, but it's also a very important part of doing scalp treatments, which are topical. So this is for hair thinning, hair loss, and scalp scale, or any scalp related problems. So scalp cleanser. Now when we're trying to get through the scalp to treat the hair bowl, we actually want to open the hair follicle. So this is what the scalp tonic is about. So most of us never have used a scalp tonic. I can't demonstrate how it feels, however I'm going to show you how to apply it and just explain how it feels. Now it is actually a runny liquid product, so we're not going to use it like a shampoo in our hands. We need to apply it directly to the scalp. Now Absolique, this is our own scalp tonic. We know that it's got some ingredients in it which can settle, so we do have to give the product just a little bit of a shake before we apply. So we have to imagine that we're in the shower and you would tip your head back and we pour it on backwards, but because I've got Taylor in the basin, we go through and we just draw simple lines, and we're squeezing the liquid gel onto the scalp. Now I can feel where it is. Now most people, the treatment area is just this top area, so you just need to put it on there and spread it around. I can feel that spread right to the crown. But if I'm doing it for someone, or your treatment area is all over your scalp, and you need your follicles open everywhere, we go all the way through. So I can feel that I have that everywhere. I'm just going to go through, spread the gel around. Now again, this is a scalp product, it's not a hair product, so we don't need to run it through the hair. It won't harm the hair, but we don't want to waste the product. So I'm just spreading that around now. Now it's an instant acting scalp tonic, so what you feel is what we call the scalp freeze. So how can you feel that at the moment, Taylor?
Yes.
And how does it feel?
Like deep heat.
So it's very cold, and this is the action of opening the follicle. So as soon as you feel it, it has done what it needs to do, and you can rinse it off. However, if you like the feeling, you can leave it on longer, but you certainly don't have to. So I always use the scalp cleanser first, then the scalp tonic, and then we're going to do a hair shampoo and a hair conditioner. So we'll go and rinse this off, and we're going to wash it. Okay, we've got a nice clean scalp. Our follicles are open, the scalp is still cold, so we want to work fast to soften the hair and put some conditioner on it so we can get our scalp treatments on. So we're going to go through, and we're just using a hair care shampoo. So it's not about cleaning the hair, it's about nourishing and softening this long blonde hair. So I've used a volume creme shampoo because I know this is also fine hair as well as chemically treated. Now we use it on the mid-lengths and ends and just through the top portions, but you want to keep it 10 to 15 centimeters away from the scalp. You're not going to put a hair shampoo onto a clean scalp. And you squeeze it through and you simply just rinse it out. We've now got nice soft hair, and we're just going to close the cuticle. Shampoo opens the cuticle, conditioner closes it. So obviously long hair that's been chemically treated, we need to close the cuticle. I've chosen a instant conditioner because again we're working quickly whilst the scalp is still cold to get our topical treatments on there. So I can feel that the hair has instantly soft, again just through the lengths of the hair, and you keep hair conditioner completely off the scalp. It is not for the scalp. Conditioner is for a hair cuticle, and your scalp skin certainly does not have a hair cuticle. So we're going to rinse the conditioner out, and then we're going to dry the hair off so you can see that the hair still looks soft and healthy and what have you, even after the scalp cleansing and the tonic. Okay, so this is how the hair looks after scalp cleansing, hair shampooing and hair conditioning. So it doesn't damage or dry the hair in any way. So what we have is a nice clean scalp, which feels very different to using a hair shampoo, doesn't it? Yes. And we've actually looked after the hair as well. So we've got scalp is skin, hair is hair. We've looked after both. We did introduce you to the Scalp Tonic as well, which is opening the follicles, and that's to use topical treatments such as our favourite Activants. So the only product that Taylor has in her hair is the Activants. She sprayed it all over her scalp and through her hair, and she's just done a quick dry off. So here it does make your hair have more volume and protects the hair as well. So that's with your Activants and scalp cleansing. Now if you take on that whole procedure of brush therapy, scalp cleansing, hair washing, hair conditioning, you will go longer between shampoos because you're removing all the stuff off the scalp. So it actually means you have to do less work. So I hope that information helps, and that we all agree hair looks wonderful and healthy. Remember, scalp is skin, hair is hair.